Hello everyone, welcome back to Anika's channel. Today I'm here with a green glittery eyes for you guys. You guys can wear this look for any kind of date nights, party or anything. It's very easy and simple, so let's get started. I already moisturized my face with my favorite moisturizer. Now I'm using the liquid glass serum by First Sally and I'm putting it everywhere on my face. Then I'm using the unicorn essence also by First Sally. This will act as my primer, and also I'm putting this everywhere. The smell though, the smell is so good. I really like it. Then I'm using my favorite foundation by ColourPop No Filter Foundation. The shade is medium dark 120. I did my brows off camera. It's the Total Temptation Brow Definer by Maybelline. Shade is 310. Now I'm concealing my face with my favorite concealer by L'Oreal. That's the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Shade is Amber 385. Now I'm setting my the places where I put concealer. It's with the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. I do not like to bake personally, so I just damp the powder wherever I think I need to seal. So I'm using the NYX Ultimate Palette. The shades will be on the screen, which shade I used. You guys can use the similar shade to it. I used two palettes for this look. The Midnight Chaos and the Ultimate Palette by NYX. As you guys can see, I'm going back and blending after applying any shadow on my eye. I just want to make sure all the colors are set and all the colors are blended. Then I'm contouring my face with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette. If you guys want to see a video on how I do my contour, you guys can let me know. I will definitely do it for you guys. setting spray, that's the NYX matte setting spray, just to seal all the products into places. Then I'm using the Too Faced chocolate bronzer. I believe that's the So Hale one. I'm not sure about the name. I will definitely give it in the description box below if you guys want to check what products I've used. I did my eyeliner off camera and also the lashes. It's the Ardell Remy lashes. For blush, I'm using any blush. I really don't care about the brand for my blush. And my lipstick is also from Maybelline. That's the Crayon Ink lipstick. Then I used setting spray once again to set everything up. I'm using the liquid gloss glitter, the places I want to highlight, basically the high points of my face. And also for highlighter, it's the Profusion palette. It's a very affordable brand. You guys can check that out. And this is the final look, guys. As you guys can see, I really liked this bronzy glittery look, and it's a very good one if you guys want to go out for a dinner date or for any party. It will definitely complement, and I really personally like this kind of looks. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ta-ta!